everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul. We just go to Meijer this morning. I picked up a few things, and then I also ran to the meat market again in Toledo, and I picked up some stuff there. So let me show you what I got in Toledo first, and then I'll turn you around and show you what I picked up at Meijer. Okay, so I went to House of Meats again. I picked up 3 packages of the 10-pack of sliders. So these are the prime rib sliders, and these are absolutely amazing. These are one of our favorite things. So since I was going there to get the prime rib sliders, I can't get that out, I went ahead and just placed an entire order. So we have 4 of the jalapeno cheddar burgers. And these are, they're very nice size. So 4 of these. I got 4 of the mushroom Swiss burgers. So that'll be really good to put on the grill. And these freeze and come out of the freezer really, really nice. I got the boneless New York strip steak pork. They're like just a fancy pork steak. And I've got 4 of these, so 2 in this package and 2 in that package. I figure that way it'll be something nice for him and I to eat. It's just a real quick meal there. I also picked up 2 cube steaks because I like cube steaks, and I just thought it would be fun to have something different. Check these out. Mushroom Swiss stuffed chicken breast. Don't these look, I mean, these are going to be so good. I mean, I guess they don't look delicious. I mean, they sound delicious, right? So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 bacon and cheddar cheese stuffed chicken breasts. So that'll be really good. And then some ground chicken breast, all white meat. I really wish I'd have paid better attention to this because I would have gotten so many more of these. So this will definitely be on my list for the next time we go. So 16 meals in total just of our meat here. So not too bad. I think it was $125 altogether. So super excited. I'm going to go ahead and get these in the freezer, and I will get back to the grocery haul. Okay, the first thing I did is I grabbed some of this Bolthouse Farms cucumber ranch dressing because of the fact that I want to use that to dip my carrots in. Sometimes I just like to have a little bit of dip, and I have been out of my ranch dressing, so was happy I remembered to pick that up today. I also grabbed some mozzarella cheese. I grabbed 2 of those because I think we're going to have homemade pizzas if I can find my turkey pepperoni. I think I have some in the cabinet here. But I have mozzarella cheese. Check it out. They have thick cut. I've never seen that before. So the thick cut comes out to be 3 smart points per quarter cup. Not a bad little serving size there. And then Mexican cheese, also thick cut. I thought that would go great on my husband's tacos. And this one's 4 smart points for a quarter cup. So fun. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen this before, because it was the first time I had seen that. Also grabbed some Fage yogurt because of the fact that I wanted to make a new dessert for you, so stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get that filmed for you this week. Also grabbed some more egg whites because I've really been enjoying my eggs with spinach this week, so grabbed some more of that. You guys know I like the hillbilly bread. That's 3 smart points for 2 slices, 2 smart points for 1 slice. The giant bread, I forgot to scan that one, so I'll put that here on the screen so you can see how many points that one is. Also was out of garlic salt, so I grabbed some of that while I was there. Pineapple chunks, just grabbed this just for snacking. I like pineapple, and sometimes it's just easier if I just buy it in the can because I don't know about you, but I buy it fresh and then I forget about it, and then by the time I cut it, sometimes it's overripe, so safer getting the cans myself, plus it saves me some money. I needed 2 cans of pinto beans. I think I'm going to make soup this week. I think that's what I needed that for. So 2 cans of pinto beans. And all this here, all 0 smart points so far. I also needed some enchilada sauce. And I made my enchilada rice this week and some chicken. And I've been snacking on that pretty much. I don't know. It's been my kind of go-to. If we had dinner Thursday night and they got their own dinner, so what I did is I went ahead and made the enchilada rice. Today we came home from the grocery store, went out, ran one more errand, and came back. They got Culver's. I had my enchilada rice, and I also had some chicken to go on top. So it's one of those things that are come in really handy. I'll put the link to that video below. I did make it in the Instant Pot. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make that in my rice cooker or if you want me to make it stovetop, because I'll recreate that recipe in a different cooking version if you want to see it. Also needed a head of lettuce. I grabbed that because we're having BLTs for dinner this week. Bananas. You know I buy bananas every week. Tomatoes, got that for the BLTs as well. Also needed some more brown rice. I was really hoping to find the basmati rice, but I didn't find that. One of our members this morning told me that they had found it at Meijer, but they were sold out of it when I went there today. So I'll keep an eye out for that because that would be awesome. I haven't had that one in a while. I think the last time I got that was like at Trader Joe's or something. Was it jasmine rice or basmati rice? One of the two, but they have a brown rice version. Also needed some cotton balls, so I just picked up another thing of that. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to do my own nails at home, which means I'm going through a lot of cotton balls now. Also got some of these Healthy Life wheat buns. I got the hot dog and the hamburger buns, 2 smart points each on those. Also grabbed some taco rice. We're going to have chicken tacos this week for dinner, so I needed the chicken tacos. I needed the taco rice for that. Also grabbed some more mashed potatoes. My husband likes this. They're 4 smart points. I think that the rice is 7, if I'm not mistaken. I'll scan that one and let you know, but I think that one comes out at 7. These come out at 4 smart points each. Again, he loves this. I would rather just have regular potatoes, so I'll probably make myself a different side dish while he has this week. I also grabbed some Method all-purpose surface cleaner. This is not a disinfectant by any way, shape, or form, but what I do is I disinfect everything down with Lysol when I first get home, and the rest of the week I don't feel like, if we're not leaving the house, that I have to disinfect every single day. So I just got this because it's clementine and it should smell really good. Also grabbed some apples. Now, the last week when we were at Meijer, we found this hand sanitizer spray. It's called Bare Hands. It was like $5 each, but it works great. Well, I hope it works great, but I mean, it kills 99.9% of germs, and it's really, I've kept one in my car all week, so I got one for my husband's car, and we picked up a spare because it was limit 2. They had tons of it there, so see if you can find this, because I thought that was a really good deal, and we've had mine in my car for about, I don't know, a week or 2 now, and we've barely used any. Probably because we're only going out 1 day a week, but that's I'll come back to that. I also grabbed some chopped romaine lettuce because you guys know that's my favorite lettuce. And one more thing that I found today that I was super excited about. Look, 8-pound dumbbells. I have been looking everywhere for these. I've tried to order them. My order got canceled from Target. We've looked in almost every store that we've been in. Everybody has been sold out on their dumbbells. So happy I found these. My 5-pound weights are not as challenging as they were when I first started working out 2 months ago, so I was really ready to step up. I had already stepped up from my 3s to my 5s, so the 8s are just a really good addition. All right, the last thing that I wanted to show you is my Mother's Day present. My daughter-in-law had got me these 2 books. Super excited to dig into this one because she has showed me a couple of recipes that she's done in this book, and they look absolutely delicious. So hoping to check some of this stuff out. This is my plan this weekend, is to go through this one. And then look, she knows that I've been decorating my house, so I am super excited to get some ideas off of this one. So those are my little books there. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed today's grocery haul. It wasn't a lot. I also got some French fries, but those are already downstairs in the freezer, and I didn't really want to dig those back out. So this was my grocery haul for the week. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave some comments below. Just by giving me a thumbs up, it really helps my channel out a lot, and it helps me kind of show up in the rankings. I know I've mentioned this a couple of times before, but it really does help. So I mean, just clicking that little button just takes a second. I would really appreciate it. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off from here, and we will see you next video.